Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to use a split screen feature on your laptop. So, for example, if I want to position these three windows on my screen, I'll have to use one of them, grab the top bar of the window and move it to the top of my screen, and then select one of the options of the placement for this window. For example, I can put it on the left side, on the right side, but in my case I want to position all three windows at the same time, so I'll have to either choose the left side or the top right or the top bottom side of the screen, or maybe one of the sides on the left. I'm gonna put it in the top right. Then in the left, to the left, I will put the Edge browser, and I will put File Explorer in the right bottom corner of the screen. I can change the position and basically the size of each window by dragging these bars, moving them however I want, and this way I can adjust the size of each window to my needs. And that's how you use the split screen feature on your laptop. You can easily close one of the windows. You can even close or minimize all of them and leave just one. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.